Hey guys, what is going on? This in front of me are finally the AirPods Max. People thought they would be called AirPods Studio. They weren't. They are called AirPods Max. So let's do an unboxing of these brand new headphones from Apple. And there they are. There's always something, isn't there, about opening or getting like a brand new product from Apple. They are the AirPods Max in that box right there. So we'll take them out of this in a second. And you know what? This is bigger than I thought it'd be. I didn't think that the packaging would be so big, but there they are, the brand new AirPods Max in space grey. I think space grey is probably the better colour to go for. You have it on the top there with AirPods Max. It even shows you that what almost looks like a little handbag, doesn't it, on the back when you've got that carry case on. But that's everything that is on the outside of the box. So let's go ahead and unbox this one and get it open. Right, let's take it off and have a look at them for the very first time. There they are. You know what? They look nice, even though it's got that little film over it. They look nice at the moment. And I tell you what, they're a lot heavier than I thought they'd be, and they're really cold to touch with that like stainless steel on them. But that is it. That is what they look like when you first get them out of the box. But we will put them down for a second and we'll have a look at what you get inside the box that comes with the headphones. So you get these, your classic little bits of Apple paperwork, no Apple stickers, just some info about AirPods Max. And then once you put that down, you then have a look at what is in the box and you get the charging cable. And Apple needs to decide what they're going to do here, because this is Lightning to USB-C. So these headphones charge through Lightning rather than USB-C, which just pick what you want to do, Apple. Just pick which ones you want. And then we'll take this off and have a look at these. And once you finally get that paper off, this is what it is for the first time. And they feel really nice. There's something about this case which makes it very nice. And you'd expect that, wouldn't you, for £550. But it's a little bit magnetic as well, this case. So it snaps closed. But when you take them out, you have these ear cups on the front first of all. So we'll get rid of them. But this on the back is just nice. It's like stainless steel. It feels cold. It feels premium as well. And when you take them off, that's when you can see this right and left for the first time inside the ear cup, because people thought that actually these would be like interchangeable. You could put them on it anyway, but obviously that's not the case. But you can take these off really easy as well. They snap off incredibly easily, which means you can just change them, I suppose, with other colors if you wanted to, because I know you can buy those other colors from the Apple store at some point, but they snap off really, really easily. We can have a bit of a closer look at this actually, so you can see them a little bit closer up there, and it looks a little bit like what the HomePod does with that mesh, but the top there, that is really springy actually. That's really nice to have on top of your head. And then when you turn these round, this is when you can see the thing that is actually different. So that is the digital crown basically from what is on the Apple Watch, and that is what will turn your volume up and down. It's the way you can talk to Siri as well. But I still can't get over how heavy these headphones are, but heavy in a good way, not like they're too heavy to wear, if that makes sense. And then when you're pulling this out, that has like a little bit of, that's difficult to pull out. So that is something that is actually quite nice, because it doesn't feel like it's going to break. And like I said, nice and springy up there. And these little ear cups here, they're like memory foam. So when they're sat on your head and they're sat on your ear, it's actually a really nice feel as it's there. And then you've got that noise cancellation button there to get rid of the transparency mode, or put transparency mode on when you need to have it. And the charging port down at the bottom, which, like we said, Lightning to USB-C. So it charges through Lightning. If you're wondering how these pair to the iPhone, exactly the same as any other AirPods. So you just bring them close and it keeps it up on the screen there. And then once you go to connect and you have a little look at the pairing setup, what it'll do is it'll show you this really nice animation. It gives you the AirPods Max thing. And then it tells you about things like spatial audio, which you can see at the bottom. It then tells you about how to use them. So for this case, that would be telling you how to use this button where you can use transparency mode and noise cancellation. It then tells you about the digital crown, using that to do the volume up and down as well. And then you can turn Siri on as you're doing it, and then it asks you to turn on spatial audio. I click no here, but you might as well turn it on because spatial audio is incredible. It's something that you definitely want to hear, especially on these headphones as well. It'll sound really, really nice. And then that is it. AirPods Max are connected to the iPhone, and it is as simple as that. There we go, that is the unboxing of these brand new AirPods Max in space grey done. Let me know in the comments what you think of these headphones. I think from just playing around with them, £550 is really expensive, and it's probably something that most of us don't want. If you enjoyed the video, then why not like and subscribe as well, because that really helps me out. And I'll do a review and first hands-on with these in the next couple of days as well. So until next time, see you later.